video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over these NORTIV, you know, hiking style boots. And I've got mine in a dark brown right here. I wear a US size 9. They come in Euro 42, UK 8. And you know what? Japan 270. And this is what they look like right here. Let me just take them out. So looking over the boot itself right here, it's basically kind of a sole glued down right here, has a hard back on it and a hard toe. This is the major thing when I get a hiking boot. I want a very hard toe area so that way you don't bump your toe. And these are 100% waterproof, so you can go all the way up to about that little gusset right there before water starts getting in. And by then it'll start coming around the actual top on there. The insoles are a removable insole. They have this perforated top look to them right here. Yeah, I like this orange mesh. They're very thick. It's a very thick insole. I do like that you can take them out and dry them. There's stitching going right down the center. See how the stitching goes right down the center? There is a TPU shank. See how you can bend it right there? The shank is right here. Obviously, I'm not going to cut them open and show you, but there is a shank built in. It's a very flat platform. This flat platform is really good for walking in mud and walking around things. It does kind of articulate a little bit around it. These lugs are made for, this is made for going forward. These are made for going backwards. So check out how if I'm coming down a hill, these lugs are going to like roll and catch a lot better. Very nice. And they're not super deep, so they're not going to hold a lot of mud or anything like that. I put these on. I kind of walked around, jumped on some rocks, and just the way the overall feel of these things, they feel really good. This is going to be my new hiking boot going forward. And this is something I recommend for anyone that just wants to get a good, affordable hiker. You know, we're doing a little bit of everything. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the NORTIV waterproof hikers. See you all in the next video.